So, Feeny, we're practicing sitting up, right? Whoa! You're doing so good. You're doing so good. We're a little wobbly still. We need the pillows all over us, all around us, right? Come on, sit up. Now you're just lounging. What's that? That's your big... Oh! Oops. Oops. You fell over. You fell over. Alright, you want to try one more time? Let's see if we can sit up. Oops. Okay. Give everybody a big smooch. Mwah.